traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini Trading Room recap for the 11th of January, Thursday. And today we had a pretty large gap up in the markets, only for a little bit of sideways downward consolidation and then a break lower. Our first trade was taken pretty much right off the open. We grabbed a short up in this region and rode that down a little bit, taking some profits, and then we quickly turned it into a long and took a little bit of profits on that, getting out fairly quickly, and then getting long again down here and taking a little bit of, or over here taking a little bit of profits. So 3 quick trades, and then we kind of just watched the markets move around, waited for the 10 o'clock number, and the markets did begin to fall a little bit. And after it did chop around a little bit, we grabbed a short up here and rode that down a little bit, taking some profit on this down move. And that ended the day, and then we watched it a little bit. It did make some more lows after that, and then it kind of recovered it a little bit, but in a very choppy fashion, and just moved sideways into 12 o'clock. That's basically what happened. We had 4 trades. All of them were successful, and we took 7 points or 28 ticks out of the market. Would equate to $350, $50 per point times 7 points, and did that in a 2.5 hour period. That's the way I like to trade. I like to trade the first session, the first 2.5 hours, and then I can go do something else. I made $350 in the market. I can go out and have fun, or do whatever. Restring my guitar, play a little guitar, go meet up with some friends, just have a good time. And that's really what I think trading is about. Trading, you can't dedicate your life to trading. I mean, yeah, trading is great. I love it. I would not do anything else. I really enjoy trading, and it's what I do for a living. It doesn't I don't eat, sleep, and breathe trading because I don't need to. I would overload myself, and that's with any job. Trading to me is a job, and that's how I treat it, and that's why I do the website. I try to show people that, hey, trading is a legitimate business. You can do it. You don't have to have connections to get involved and do a bunch of stuff. It's a legitimate business, and it can be done, and it can be done profitably. And a lot of the different education things out there, they don't really communicate that in a way that is logical. And I'm not going to tear apart any organization or books, or that's not what I'm about. I'm about education and showing the way that I do it, or the way that it can be done properly. And that's what I'm about. That's what I try to show, and that's what I want to show in these videos that I do, these recap videos. I try to show what happened on the day, and then talk a little bit, and hopefully my words will somebody will get something out of what I'm talking about. And I feel that I get something out of what I'm talking about. I get to summarize the day, and it's definitely been a lot of fun. I get a lot of good comments, which is really cool. It shows that people are paying attention to what I'm saying, and they enjoy it, and they're getting something out of it. So it's definitely pretty cool. So just felt like talking about that a little bit today. Hope you got something out of it, and definitely appreciate you watching the video. Great stuff. I appreciate all the support. Of course, you can leave a comment under the video if you want. You can go to the Facebook page, facebook.com/abusinesswithtrading, and ask any and all questions that you have. And I'd be happy to answer them. Or if it requires a little bit more of an answer, we can always get in touch and talk a little bit more. And some people like to do that. They like to talk a little bit more before, if they want to do some education or something like that. And that's cool because I want to be able to provide education. It's not about volume numbers to me. Like, I trained this many people, or it's not about that. I could really care less. I'm a trader, and the website's there to help people. Some people like it, and some people don't want help, and that's fine because I'm not here to tell people do this, do that. I'm here to say, I've done it. I know how to do it. I could teach you if you want, and that's basically what it is. So, anyway, thanks for listening to my rant today. Have a great, great night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.